Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Time Reacts. So guys, I thought that I would come on here and I would share with you guys how to actually make money off of your cell phone. Now you guys know we carry our cell phones around all the time, to the bathroom, to go eat, wherever we're at, we always have our cell phone, right? So why not turn your cell phone into your personal ATM? Now, my first tip is the first thing you're going to do is download Just Play. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys tomorrow on my iPad the multiple games that you can play. I'm probably going to have to show you guys on another device because on the iPad they don't have as many games as on the Android, because Just Play is basically more for Android users. So if you don't have an Android, you're going to be limited to the games that you can play. But don't get it twisted. The game that pays the most money on Just Play, you will be able to play that if you have an Apple device. So that's the first thing, is to download Just Play into your phone. Now when you have Just Play into your phone, guys, you're going to have to download the game so that you can play them. Now you can only download these games through Just Play to get paid. Okay, so make sure that you're playing through Just Play. When you get ready to play, you're going to go to Just Play and you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on the game and you're going to play it. Okay, now the game, if it's on your screen, like y'all know when you're swiping your interface screen, you can click on it and it'll take you into Just Play. Okay, so the third thing is that you want to make sure you have PayPal, okay? Because that's how you're going to get your cash. That's how you're going to be able to cash out your money that you get from Just Play from playing these games. Now, I know you guys are asking, okay, so how long do I play? Well, it only gives you a specific time limit to play. You might have 2 hours to play and get as many coins as you can. And as those hours go down, you might be at 10 minutes. But you want to play as much as possible. Now, usually, I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you guys. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys a tale. But usually, you'll probably get like $1 and some change. Not unless you're just playing it like frequently, then you'll get more money than that. But I pretty much did my research and I played as much as possible, and usually I would get like at least $1. But it will start over, so you can play as much and play as much and play as much, accumulate. I think one time, just recently, I cashed out $14. Yeah, $14. And y'all know another tip 4 that I can tell you of what to do with that money. I know a lot of y'all were like, well, I'm gonna do this with my money, because you can get an Amazon gift card, you can get a Target gift card, and you can also donate. Now, you can do that if that's your preference, but what I would tell you to do is to transfer that money into Coinbase. That's what I did, guys. I transferred that money into Coinbase, and now that money is sitting over there making more money. Like, guys, you gotta be smart about that. You gotta be smart about that, okay? You gotta be smart. So when you do start to make this money, just start putting it in Coinbase. Keep playing the games, putting the money in Coinbase. Put it somewhere where it can grow. Because if you just gonna buy, I mean, you can buy things. I'm not saying you can't, but put some of that money in the Coinbase, because why not? It's gonna grow. So that's what I've been doing, guys. I've been playing these games on Just Play. I've been making money, and I've been transferring that money right over into my Coinbase has been making money. So look, guys, you can't beat that, man. You can't beat that. But the thing is, for this year 2025, we gotta beat the bank, man. We can't let the bank beat us. We gotta beat the bank. Okay, we gotta beat the bank, guys. And the only way we're gonna beat the bank is to become smarter and find different ways of making money, different streams of income. Cause look, a lot of us, and even myself, guys, I was blind, but now I see, because I was playing games for free. I didn't know that I could have been playing. I was playing, what's that game that everybody likes, Candy Crush. I was playing Candy Crush, and I didn't even know I could have played Candy Crush on Just Play. I don't think it's on there now, because sometimes with the games, they give you a specific amount of time. Like, they give you like levels. Oh, you gotta reach this level, this level, this level. And I think that Candy Crush is not on there anymore. I look, it's not on there anymore. But it was on there, and if I would have known that, and a lot of other people would have known that, we could have been making money. We could have been making some money, guys. So with that being said, don't be one of those people, because I know a lot of people are like, oh, well, you ain't making money like that, and it takes too long. You guys are a trip, I'm telling you, because why are y'all complaining? Why are y'all complaining right now? Like, what is it? Why are y'all complaining when y'all was playing them games for free anyway? And now that somebody told you, hey, you can play games and you can win money, now y'all talking about, oh, I don't want to play the game because it takes too long, so I'm going to just play it for free. That makes absolutely no sense, okay? It makes absolutely no sense. And over here, we're not going to do that. We're going to play our games for money. So you can do what you want to do, and we're going to do what we want to do over here. And over here, we want to make money, okay? So that's what it is, guys. That's the easiest way, is to go through Just Play. I played many other game apps. Lucky Day is a good game app. I play that, and I also showed people that I cashed out. It's on Time Reacts. Just go to the playlist Lucky Day, and you can watch it. But I mean, there's nothing else I can really talk about Lucky Day. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just get on there and you play. And you take surveys. There's nothing else that I can really tell you about it. But Just Play has so many freaking games that I'm going to share with you guys the trick of the trade, how to play the game, and how to make money off of Just Play. They have loads of games I can teach you guys how to play, and I plan on doing that. So, guys, this was just some tips that like get you in the mood and just get you warmed up to Just Play. But definitely, when you download it and you get on there, go straight to Treasure Master. That's the one you want to play. That's the one that's gonna give you some good coins. Okay. So I will see you guys later. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys in another money video. See you guys later, and Merry Christmas, guys, to everybody. See ya.